Are you looking to enjoy some lemonade without the work or the mess? Are these spills driving you bonkers? There is a better way. Buy lemonade Girl Scout cookies and skip the steps and jump right into deliciousness. Is your caramel not cooperating? Are you struggling to make a sweet treat? Turn that frown upside down with Caramel Delights from Girl Scouts. Get a tropical vacation in every bite. Looking to get your French toast fix without egg on your hands? Sick of shells all up in your mix? Then Toast J's are what you need. Get the taste of French toast while keeping your hands clean. Or you can enjoy any of the other cookies available. Collect them all or share with your friends. Available now at laylascookies.com for only $6 per box or 2 for $12. Shipping available to U.S. residents only. Each purchase gets our troop closer to more fun adventures. Thank you for your support.